Do you mind if I sit here?
No, go ahead.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you from around here?
No, I'm actually from New York.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What time is it?
It's 9 a.m.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 555-1234.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, I can't speak Spanish.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, I'm free.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I have a boyfriend.
Have you ever been to Europe?
No, I haven't been to Europe.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
Have you ever been abroad?
I went to Brazil last year.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you need help?
No, thanks for asking.
Where do you live?
I live in Australia.
What did you do last night?
I watched TV.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to a restaurant.
Are you hungry?
Yes. I'm hungry.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing karaoke with friends.
Do you have any phobias?
Yes, I have a fear of heights.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I can juggle.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Did you receive my email?
Yes, I got it. I'll reply soon.
Would you like some more water?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Are you available for a meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Sure, there's a great Italian place nearby.
Would you like me to pick you up?
No, I'll take a taxi.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love Friends.
Have you ever been to the city before?
No, it's my first time here.
Are you feeling stressed lately?
A little bit, but I'm managing.
Would you like to go for a walk?
That sounds lovely, let's go.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I like to relax at home.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to several concerts.
Would you like to join us for dinner?
I'd love to, thank you for inviting me.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Playing in the backyard with my siblings.
Are you good at remembering people's names?
Not really.
Do you prefer to cook at home or eat out?
It depends on my mood, but I enjoy both.
Have you ever flown in an airplane?
Yes, I have flown in an airplane.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I love swimming in the ocean.
Do you have any upcoming travel plans?
Not at the moment, but I'm hoping to plan a trip soon.
Do you enjoy puzzles?
Yes, I love puzzles.
Do you have a favorite childhood toy?
I had a beloved teddy bear.
Do you have a favorite way to practice self-care?
I like to take long walks in nature.
Do you have a favorite childhood game you used to play?
I loved playing hide and seek with friends in the neighborhood.
Do you have a favorite piece of advice you've received?
One of the best pieces of advice I've received is be kind to yourself and others.
What's your go-to comfort food?
Mine is mac and cheese.
Do you need anything from the grocery store?
Yes, we need milk and bread.
What's a movie you've watched multiple times?
I've watched The Lion King many times.
What's a skill you've been wanting to learn?
I've been wanting to learn how to play the guitar.
What's something interesting about yourself?
I can speak 3 languages.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
My favorite app is Instagram.
Are you a fan of traveling?
Definitely. I enjoy exploring new places.
Are you into sports?
Yes, I play basketball in my free time.
Are you a fan of cooking shows?
Absolutely, I enjoy trying out new recipes.
Are you interested in learning about different cultures?
Absolutely, I find learning about different cultures fascinating.
Are you interested in volunteering?
Yes, I'm interested in volunteering opportunities.
Chitchat English